Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am so excited for today's video because guess what time it is? It's the holiday season. I love nothing more than the holidays, guys. It just gives me all of the good vibes and I'm so excited about it. And I hope y'all are too, because as a small business owner, baby, this is your quarter of the year. This is where you are about to make your money. This is where you're about to grow. It's the best time. It can be stressful, but it's all worth it in the end, am I right? So today we're going to be talking about how to prepare your small business for the holiday season, my friends. I hope I've caught you at a good time because we're about to prep your shop so that you are ready for this crazy holiday season that's about to start. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. Tip number one, stock up on your best sellers. You need to make sure that you have your inventory ready to go, my friends, because of course with the holiday season comes a slowdown of a lot of manufacturers, and with everything that's happened in the past 2 years and whatnot, you know, stuff can get on back order pretty quickly. Make sure you stock up on your best sellers. I personally would say stock up on that inventory. Make that a priority over newer items and things like that. Of course, you can throw in some great new things, some new seasonal items if you want to, but definitely focus on having your best sellers in stock so that you have plenty to get you through the holiday season. Tip number two is to do the same thing with your shipping supplies, because guys, there is nothing worse than having all of your shipping bags go out of stock and you can't get them replaced and people love them and they're cute, or not being able to find something because they're out of stock and it taking too long to get to your house or wherever so that you can't even ship them anymore. You need to make sure all that stuff is ready, prepped, and you have it high inventory because you want to be prepared for as many sales as possible, and you never know when your shop is gonna maybe go viral on social media or something. So having your stuff stocked and ready for the holiday season, especially if this is your first one, you just don't know. Like, a lot of people are shopping during the holiday season. That's obvious. This is usually most people's best time of the year sales wise. So prepare yourself wisely. Go ahead, have have your best inventory in stock, and make sure your shipping items are also in stock because you don't want to run out of either of those. Tip number three is to warn your customers of any shipping delays. I personally put this as a disclaimer every year around the holiday time, because you just don't know. You really don't. You really have no control over how long it's going to take the mail to get to someone. Your regular shipping times are likely going to be delayed, especially as the closer we get to Christmas time. So go ahead and put that everywhere that you can. Literally on my Etsy shop, I would have it in my description of the items. I had it in my banner. I had it in my announcement section. I had it in my shop policies. You know, put it everywhere that you can so that everyone understands, look, we're doing our best to get things shipped out as fast as possible. With an influx of orders and things like that too, you're probably going to be really caught up on trying to get all of your orders out. So just make sure that everyone knows when they're coming on your website that it might take a little bit longer, and just kind of go ahead and prepare for that because it's likely going to happen. It does every year. Just preparing your customers ahead of time, letting them know. And of course, there will still be some people that get mad about it, but there's not much you can do as long as you communicate ahead of time and let people know. Tip number four is to practice your sanity, my friend. I don't know how else to put this other than please make some time for yourself during the holiday season. Make some times for your friends and family, because guys, it is so easy to get caught up in your business and your sales and making money and inventory and profit and all this crazy stuff. Sometimes it gets very overwhelming and it can be extremely stressful during the holiday season. And of course, with the great thing of like getting more sales and making more money, which is awesome for you and your business, also comes a bit of added stress of how are you going to get everything packaged up on time? How are you going to still provide great customer service? And it can be very overwhelming. So please take time to practice your self-care by, turning off your computer at certain hours and letting your customers know that you will not be responding 24 hours around the clock. Set business hours. Say, I will respond to you between the times of 8 and 5 p.m. and then your actual time zone time. And make that aware, because you need to set some boundaries so that you don't lose your sanity, my friend. And when you can stay healthy, because if you're not staying healthy, you're not going to be able to build your business the best way possible. And you want to stay happy and healthy so that you can continue to grow your business. Keep that in mind, please, and make it a priority. Tip number 5 is to create more content. Create content like crazy. And by that, I mean be on your social media A game. Hire a little bit of help. Find someone in your family that can help you do some stuff. But you need to be on your social media A game. I want you creating daily. I want you posting on your platforms, whichever ones you commit yourself to, and be on there every day. Show up, show your face, show your brand, show your product. Be out there so that people are seeing you, because when they're scrolling through social media and they see your product, they're gonna be like, oh yeah, oh my gosh, this will be a perfect gift for so-and-so. I need to do that. Content, y'all. Content. Show gift guides, show how your product will be an amazing gift, offer gift wrapping and show them what that gift wrapping is going to look like. Still do your regular behind the scenes and your day-to-day content that you've already been doing, all that kind of stuff, and just make sure that you're showing up, because you want to be in people's faces during this time so that they're going to want to buy from you. And lastly is to communicate. Communicate if you have anyone on your team that helps you. Let people know how they can help you, and let people know how they can support you as a small business owner during this holiday season. Whether that's to ask your friends and family to share with people that you do have a small business and what you sell, and to purchase from you from the holiday season and support small businesses, or just communicating even with your customers. Like I mentioned earlier, if there is delays or changes or a lack of inventory, or if you're going to be having sales, just communicate everything with everyone. Be very open, be very transparent, and just talk as much as you can, because you want everyone to kind of be on the same page, and you want everything and all the information to be out there so that people know. And then when people know, they can make their best decision on what they need to do to help you or help your business, or if they're a customer, best how they're going to get their item and buy it and all of those things. Alrighty guys, that is going to bring us to the end of today's video. Right here on the screen for you, I'm going to link another video I think you'll find helpful, as well as an entire playlist full of other small business building tips. Down here, you're going to find 2 subscribe buttons, one to this channel here where I upload every week and post on Friday, and one to my lifestyle channel where I also upload weekly. So if you just want to see more of my face, this is a great place to go to. And without further ado, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one, and best of luck during this holiday season. I'm sending you all my best wishes.